On a late model vehicle, the battery, yes, it starts the vehicle, but it also acts as a reservoir of power. In other words, if it wants to use the alternator efficiently and not be a parasitic draw on the engine, it will use the battery to run things like heated seats or certain actions underneath the hood. With this, it can efficiently operate the vehicle and improve fuel economy. So if you have an unhealthy battery or a low state of charge, that battery will cause other issues with the electrical system. This is typically seen as a voltage drop. So when the vehicle's cranking, it may drop below 7 volts. When it drops below 7 volts, the vehicle can't communicate with the other modules on the vehicle. So a healthy battery is critical. And when a customer comes into your shop, make sure you're inspecting and advising them of the state of health of the battery. This can be done with typically a receipt, and you can either give this to the customer, and it's a silent salesman that will help the customer make the right decision and replace their battery. Because without the battery, the vehicle is not going to operate as efficiently as possible. I'm Andrew Markell. Thank you very much.